What's up, everybody? I'm out here in the woods. It's 2 days till tree rat season, so I'm going to be sighting in my 22. At the end, I'm going to see if I can hit some other stuff, and so let's do this. As you can see way down there, we have a target set up exactly 50 yards. That's about what I sighted my 22 at. If you're wondering, this is a Marlin Model 60 22. Okay, that's 3 shots. Let's go check it out. Okay guys, as you can see, all 3 shots are kind of all over the place. So I'm going to go back and try that again, take my time a little bit more, see if I can hit the diamond. Okay guys, round 2. Those shots are better. So you got that one, and then that one. And those were our first 3 right there. So we got hit the triangle one time and right there. So that's our grouping right there technically. I'm gonna go back and try it one more time and see what happens. And from there I'll make adjustments. Round 3, let's do this. If y'all want to see me do any fishing videos here, just comment down below. It's really fun. Catch some big bass. Okay, our grouping this time is that one, and that one. So what I'm going to do, am I going to put it to the left? I'm going to change my scope and make it go to the left here so I can be more on center. It's time for round 4. Okay, so there's our 3 shots, right there, and right there. So I'm gonna move it over like 4 clicks to the left and see what happens. Let's go check it out. Here's our groupings right here, these 3. And so like right there's the center of them. And so I should go 1.5 down and 1 to the right, and I should be right on the bullseye. This gun is tube fed, which means it has a tube that feeds it to the magazine. It's their tube magazine. And so it holds 14 rounds. So tell me what we're gonna put in. Our grouping is a lot better. Got 1 right there, 1 right there, and 1 right there. So our center is right there. So we need to go 1/2 inch to the right, 1/2 inch down. Let's do this. That's our grouping right there. So you got that one, and that one. That's pretty darn good. I'm gonna go 1 click back to the left, and I think we'll be good. Got a little bit of a treat for you guys. I found out I had some of these in my truck, so I'm gonna see if I can hit them. And then for the grand finale, we have a CO2 canister I'm gonna try and hit. It's like about the size of a penny. It's gonna be very difficult, but I think I could do it. As y'all can see, I got 1 golf ball there, 1 golf ball there, and the CO2 canister. Let's go shoot this. I got you guys a little bit closer here so you can see the action. As y'all can see, we hit the golf ball right here. It's pretty crazy, actually. I think we grazed it because it went like that. This one has a hole in it, but it has no exit wound. I have no idea where the bullet went to. I'm gonna shoot these again, and we're gonna try and hit the CO2 cartridge. I think I missed it and just knocked it off the plank, so I'm gonna try it again. I hit this golf ball again, as you see, it just jumps way up in the air. It's pretty cool. I'm tired of not hitting the CO2 cartridge. I put it vertical this time. We're gonna knock it out. That was freaking nuts. That was awesome. Oh my gosh, I gotta find it. Guys, I'm trying to find it. I cannot find it anywhere. I look back at the footage, I watch it fly off, but I just cannot find it. Oh, no way, I found it. Oh my gosh. Look, there it is. Oh my gosh, look at it. Dude, it's so cold. Look at the hole. Like the bullet didn't even go all the way through it. What the heck? That is nuts. Did you hear the sound it made? It was like a train whistle, dude. It was like, I felt like a bomb's about to drop on me. It was nuts. That was insane. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. I need to go buy more of these and try that again. I wish I could hit it like on the cap right there, or like on the back side, and it would like took off like a rocket, like, but then, yeah, I couldn't do that. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Comment if you want to see stuff like this. See you next time.